Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix issues related to PowerShell, such as while you want to open PowerShell using run command, then you find this error. This operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. Also, when I try to open PowerShell by searching and clicking on this does not work. So if you are finding this type of issues on your Windows 11 machine, you can fix it through two methods. That is, one is local security policy and another one is you need to find out in local group policy editor. So let me start with first one. Click on this one start button and search here local security and click on this one local security app, and then you need to navigate to software restrictions policies and then select here additional rules, and you need to delete all PowerShell entries from here if you find it. So select and right click on it and click on yes button. This will delete all PowerShell entries from here, and it should fix the issue if someone has or virus has modified local security policy. Next one method is through local group policy editor. For that, click on this one start button and type here gpedit.msc and click on edit group policy entry to open local group policy editor window on your PC. Here under user configuration, double click on administrative templates, then select system. On the right, you should find don't run a specified Windows application. Here double click on this one entry and select not configured option, then click on apply, click on OK, and finally reboot your PC and try to open PowerShell. In some cases, it may also fix the issue without restarting your PC. If it cannot fix without restarting your PC, try to restart your PC once and hopefully this will fix your issue as you can see on the screen. Thanks.